Learn to unlearn.
Traditional learning teaches us how behaviors and beliefs are installed.
Unlearning teaches us how to consciously uninstall what no longer serves our well-being. The key question behind all unlearning: does this belief or behavior actually lead to value, validation, vulnerability, inner peace, and healthy connection?
If not, it's outdated programming. Let's have a look at the 5 unlearning theories. 1.
Behavioral unlearning, mirror of behaviorism, Pavlov, Skinner. Learning theory: behavior is conditioned through rewards, punishments, and repetition. Unlearning perspective: many behaviors were adopted because they once predicted a reward.
But the reward people usually seek is not money or success.
The deeper rewards are value, feeling important or useful;
validation, feeling seen and approved; vulnerability, feeling emotionally connected. Many learned behaviors promise these rewards but never deliver them. Examples:
learned behavior, pleasing others;
expected reward, validation; actual result, resentment.
Learned behavior, overworking;
expected reward, value;
actual result, burnout. Learned behavior, avoiding conflict;
expected reward, connection; actual result, distance.
Unlearning question: does this behavior actually bring the reward it promised?
If not, stop reinforcing the behavior. 2.
Cognitive unlearning, mirror of cognitivism. Learning theory: learning happens through memory, attention, and mental processing.
Unlearning perspective: most mental processes are emotion-driven memory predictions. The brain constantly asks, what happened last time something like this occurred?
So it activates old emotional responses automatically. But here's the problem: the brain often prioritizes familiarity over happiness.
Familiar does not equal healthy.
Many people keep replaying emotional scripts because they feel predictable, not because they are beneficial. Unlearning question: is this reaction helping me now, or is it just familiar?
3.
Experiential unlearning, mirror of constructivism, Piaget, Vygotsky.
Learning theory: we build knowledge from experience. Unlearning perspective: experiences are often interpreted through a threat detection system.
If an experience was painful, the brain concludes, avoid this forever.
But negative experiences can also provide clarity.
Example: bad relationship leads to clarity about boundaries. Failure leads to clarity about direction.
Rejection leads to clarity about values. Without reflection, experiences become trauma loops instead of growth signals.
Unlearning question: did this experience define my identity, or did it clarify what I want next? 4. Social unlearning, mirror of social learning theory, Bandura. Learning theory: we imitate behaviors from parents, society, and culture. Unlearning perspective: many societal scripts were never designed for well-being.
Examples: success equals exhaustion; productivity equals worthiness; self-sacrifice equals love; busyness equals importance. These scripts create what many people unknowingly live in, the validation hamster wheel. Running harder does not lead to peace. It just leads to more expectations. Unlearning question: am I living this way because it works? Or because everyone else is doing it? 5.
Network unlearning, mirror of connectivism. Learning theory: learning occurs through networks and information systems.
Unlearning perspective:
technology can either amplify noise or amplify awareness. When information becomes overwhelming, it fuels comparison, outrage, fear cycles, validation addiction. But used consciously, networks and AI can help people question beliefs, gain perspective, process emotions, break mental loops. Technology becomes powerful when it helps people see their own conditioning.
Unlearning question: is this information helping me understand myself,
or just keeping me mentally stimulated?
The core principle of unlearning: learning adds information. Unlearning removes interference. Inner peace rarely requires more knowledge. It requires removing the beliefs that distort reality. Many people do not need to learn new things.
They need to unlearn, I must prove my worth.
I must please to be loved. I must control everything to feel safe.
The UN learning loop simplified. 1.
Notice the behavior or belief. 2. Identify the promised reward. 3. Check if the reward actually happens.
4.
Withdraw reinforcement. 5. Choose a healthier alternative.
Where our bugger bonus blessing method fits perfectly, our model already maps beautifully onto unlearning.
Beggar.
Trying behaviors to receive value, validation, vulnerability.
Bugger. Frustration when the strategy fails.
Bonus, blessing, realizing the strategy never worked and choosing self-worth instead.
That is literally the moment unlearning happens. One powerful line to wrap it up. Healing is not learning who you should be. It is unlearning who you were told to become.